този мъж, това мъж, това е мъж. What is the correct form? This is actually a question I get from a lot of our students every day because this is something that confuses them a lot. But why? We will answer this question and many more in this video. So, from where the mistake actually is coming. So, let's start from the very beginning. I always answer this way. It depends what you want to say actually. If you want to say these minutes here, it's one case, one situation. So let's take this example. If you want to say този мъж е тук, these minutes here, then what you need to do is to take the word this, този, okay, in the masculine form, combine it with the masculine noun мъж, and then put the verb to be, този мъж е, and then you can say whatever you want. So for example, you can say този мъж е тук, this means it's here, този мъж е доктор, this means it's a doctor, този мъж е красив, this means it's beautiful, handsome. So really it depends how you build your sentence. If you want to say това е мъж, then students tell me, but why you say това? You just told us that you should make този with the masculine gender. If мъж, it's masculine. Why you say това е мъж? So, the answer is because това е мъж. Do you hear a difference? Това е мъж. You put between това and мъж, and it's changing the game completely. Okay? So if you want to say this is a man, it's not a woman, then you say това, the impersonal това, the neutral form of the този, of the demonstrative pronoun. Okay? So you say това е мъж. Okay? This is a man. This is the same expression you can use if you say това е жена. This is a woman. Това е дете. Do you hear it? Doesn't matter if the word is masculine, feminine, or neutral. You always use това е. Imagine a child is asking you, what is this? What is this? Какво е това? And you say, това е дърво. This is a tree. Това е мъж. This is a man. Това е жена. This is a woman. Okay? So then you always use това е to name the object, the person, to give the name. And in this situation, you use always това е, the verb to be, and then you build the rest of the sentence. Let's go back on our first example. Този мъж е красив. This man is handsome. If I want to say it for a lady, I will say тази жена е красива. This woman is beautiful. Okay? And in this situation, I use тази. So тази, it's this in feminine gender. I combine it with the noun and I put the verb to be after that, and then I build the rest of my sentence. Тази жена е тук. Тази жена е красива. Okay? So different options. I can also say това дете е красиво. This child is beautiful. Again, това I use because дете it's neutral, and then I use the verb to be. Това дете е красиво. Okay? Also, we have the plural form of this, so I can say тези. For example, тези хора са красиви. These people are beautiful. Okay, I use the plural of this because хора, people, it's plural, and then I build the rest of my sentence. Okay, so try to keep this in mind. I always give this hint to our students, so think where you put the verb to be. Тази жена е красива. This lady is beautiful. Versus това е жена. Where you put е, where you put the verb to be, changes the structure, changes it grammatically. a lot of our students, they're saying, I want just to speak, like I don't need so much grammar. And I understand them. Sometimes like grammar can be something a bit boring. Well, it depends who is teaching you, but again, it can be a bit boring. And they say, I just want to start speaking quickly. Yes, I agree with you. I know you want to start speaking. We learn the language so that you start speaking and communicating in Bulgarian. But these grammar rules, they're necessary so that you see the logic behind it, so that you see why you say тази жена е красива and това е жена. If no one explains you these small differences, you will be a bit repeating what you hear on the street, which is also okay. I mean, like, we all start speaking a foreign language like this. But me as a teacher, I deeply believe someone should sit and explain you and guide you through the process. Let us know in the comments how actually you learn grammar. Probably you don't agree and you're just much smarter than me, and you just can catch these rules like from people speaking around you, and you can apply them in your everyday life Bulgarian, which is also awesome. Give us hints how you study a foreign language, how you learn words. Do you have any other grammar constructions that you would like us to explain in further videos? We're here to help you.